Here is Dootchi AI app, new popular app, emoji alternative. Also, some people see it as Chai AI alternative because Chai AI has now problems. They want to charge you more. So this is one of these new AI apps which you can try out. Kind of very minimalistic, but it does the job. So anime characters chat. So here I created an account, and then you can see how it looks like. You can see this is how the messaging looks like. You can tap on the account, you can chat, see some settings. This is very basic, very minimalistic. There are no additional settings here in the message. I don't know what is all right. So that's it. So super minimalistic app. You can then just delete it. You can log in, create an account, and then you just have your character, your account. They have Discord, and that's it. You can start using it even without an account, as you can see, just like as a guest. And you can also create your own character, and yeah, so that's, and then you can just go and create it using Apple, Google, and so on. So yeah, that's the idea.